This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, Priyanka. So then let me know what all you update
Sorry?
from last. Yeah, you can let me know what all things that you update. Any doubts, anything that you had so far. So far, while you're doing anything.
No, I just went through what we discussed yesterday. That's it. I was just going through what are the options they have.
Okay, okay. So you got the recording right, and you're able to go through all these things, right?
Yeah.
That's good. So, right. We have saw form. We have saw field. We have saw extending table, and we have even created a table, right?
Yeah.
So, just recapping, right? Just let me know if I've left out anything. And did we see application and menu?
Application and menu. No.
Not yet.
No.
Okay.
We
Let's
did
see
one
this application.
form list tables.
Yeah. Let's see
Yeah.
application. Okay. What you're seeing on the left side is more of an application, like let's say incident, and that is an application, and module or everything that is below that application is module or modules. Okay.
Yeah.
So no, not that incidents, the below one, right? The below one, where
Yes.
you have good amount of child modules. Come down, come down, down. Yeah, that's all.
Hmm.
You can bookmark that. You can bookmark that. Yeah. You can make it favorite. Okay.
Or this one?
No, the incident one. That is the application. If you see it clearly, right? Yeah. The arrow mark on the left, the incident one, you can see the difference between this particular incident and the other things, right? It's more often if you click on that arrow, again, it'll get all the modules inside it.
Yeah.
Okay. Um, yeah. So that's what is called as the application containing different modules. That's how we understand it.
Yeah.
Okay. So now this being called as application and module, if you click on that particular button, edit an application near that favorite, yeah, you have only option as in system administrator. You can click on that. You can click on that and edit it. Okay. Okay. What you're seeing here before you start, this is the application menu. Okay. Right? So, so the left side, whatever you're seeing is the application, and it is containing different modules. Right. If you come down, you see the modules, different modules.
Yeah. Create new.
Exactly. And check the order. Check the order clearly. Order. On the fifth column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth column.
Screen is.
Do you see 100, 200, 300, 400, something like that on the left right side? Yeah, there it is. Yes.
Let's
You
go
click
to.
on somewhere. Click on somewhere. Yeah.
Yeah.
Why have you right clicked? Okay, fine. You're right click. Okay, okay. Anyways. So, yeah. You're seeing 100, 150, 200 and all, right?
Yes. Order.
Yeah. Can you a little bit go on the left side so that we can see the module also? Module also. Left side, I said, yeah, left side, yeah. So that we can able to see the module. Okay. Yeah, now fine. Perfect. Okay. Now you see the 100, 150, 200, right?
Hmm.
Now clearly see that under the incident application, you are having these modules sequenced sequenced in an orderly manner. Now, what do I mean by orderly manner is that 100 is create new. On the navigation application navigator also, you can see that immediately after incident, you have create new module.
Okay.
Are you getting the point?
Yeah. The first one. Mhm.
Yes, and second one, 150, right? On the application navigator, under that you have clicked on favorite on the incident, right? You
Yeah,
have the assigned.
assigned to me. Yeah.
Can you see the order? So just try one thing, right? Open is saying as 200, right? Make that as 50, the order as 50, and see.
Okay. I can edit this.
Yeah, you can edit it. Now you are editing, assign it to me, right? Assign it to me, you are editing from not wrong, right? You're editing, assign it to me. 50, make it to 50. When you will see immediately, the assign it to me comes before create new on the left navigator, application navigator. You need to save this form. You can go on top and save, just right click and save this form. No, you see that, did you see that assign it to me came before create new on the left navigation indicator, application navigator,
Uh,
application navigator,
oh
yeah,
yeah,
application
yeah.
navigator. Yeah, that's it. That's the difference. Now you can bring it back to 150. Again, you can put it back to the same order as 150, right? Instead of having it as 100, you will see that it goes back to the second. Uh, you can see just in a fraction of a second, it will go back to second.
Yeah.
You see that?
Yeah.
As simple, right?
Yeah.
So very very easy that on the left side where you want to sequence, it's up to you. As admin, you have all the rights to do it as administrator.
Yeah.
Okay. Now you see this application. If you go up, you have something called as roles, right? You have something called as roles. If you go up, no? Just up, yeah,
Mm.
roles. So
Yeah.
you have ITL and SN incident read. If you click on that pencil box, right? Although you have left side, you have a lot of available. The selected ones are only reflecting which roles that currently the application is hosting for or having, right? Like ITL and SNC incident read.
Okay.
Okay. So what does that mean is, right? Any other user apart from these roles will not be able to see this application. You can click on done. You can click on done. I don't want to move anything. Just let it be as it is. By default, out of box Servicenow is giving this, right? You can read that, right? Restrict access to the specified roles.
Mm-hmm.
Restricts access to the specified roles.
Yeah.
Otherwise, right, all users can view the application menu when it's active. Okay.
Okay.
So, right. So you as a system admin have even though this role is saying ideal and SNC incident read, right?
Mm-hmm.
As an admin, he can see any application. That is a different case. Okay.
Okay.
But however, right? Um, anybody who's having different role other than this will not be able to see this. Getting my point?
Oh, your voice is not clear now.
Anybody who's not
Yeah.
having this particular role,
Like
any
system
user,
admin.
yeah, no. Anybody who's not having this role, what it's indicated in this application menu role, ITL
Oh,
or SNC incident red, they will not
okay.
be able to see the application. So do you understand? I mean, are you getting
Okay.
the logic behind
Yeah.
it?
Yeah.
Let's try to impersonate. Go to the right top your icon, right? Your icon that you're seeing in the, yeah, right. Go to the right top on the right. You see your icon, some face kind of a thing. Yeah, below that.
No, this go-to
Exactly.
meeting. It's.
No. You have global search. You have search.
I have, but my screen, half of the screen, this go-to meeting. It's coming. I can't see.
Oh, is it? Okay.
Mm, okay, I'll put like this.
Ah, yes. Click that. You know, impersonate user. Impersonate user.
Okay.
Can you search? Add. Can you click on that? Yeah. Come down. Andrew. Right. Andrew Jackson. And
Mm,
Jackson. Just click on.
okay.
And click on that particular person and impersonate. Yeah. Impersonate user. Yes. Click on the impersonate user. And now go ahead and search for incident. Although you will see self-service incident, right? Now close all these things, right? And go to all and search for incident. It will come, but self-service incident only will come, but the other options will not come. Do you see this? No, but did you see that the create new module, all those things is not coming?
Yeah. He
That
doesn't
will not.
have all this.
He
Yeah.
doesn't have the role.
Okay.
Now, how do you confirm that he doesn't have the role? Again, where you went to impersonate user, right? Go there and click on end impersonate. So now you got an understanding of how to impersonate other user, right?
Yeah.
You can impersonate any user being an admin and go ahead and check their properties. I mean, when I say properties, whatever that access that they have, as long as it is not so much sensitive information, you will be able to see all the other information. Okay.
Okay.
Now here, just type user. Yeah, just type user. All. Go to all.
Here?
No, not an incident. The top application of it is user. Yeah. No, just user. You can scroll down under user administration application. You will have user. Come down further. Come down. Yes. Yeah. Below this, you will
User?
have. Come down. No. That is system security. You can see come down. Yes. Come down. User administration. You see
Oh, yeah.
under that user. Yes. That's it. If you go ahead and search this Andrew, right?
In the
Remember
user?
his name? Yeah. In the users. In the name. In the name.
Yeah.
Andrew. What is the name? But click on enter. Andrew Jackson. Click on the Andrew Jackson. You can see either as ideal row, either as SN incident, whatever, create row. Come down, go to roles, go to
Yeah.
roles. No, in related list. You are seeing the related list of entitled customers. Same area. You have different tab. Come down. Yeah, exactly
Yeah.
there.
Okay.
So can you see that ITL is not there as well as SN underscore some incident create, right? That's what we saw. That is also not there. That's the reason that he's not able to see the uh, incident.
Okay.
Now click on edit and give him ITL role. Move from the left to right. You can search the ITL. Just search ITL in the search button. Yeah, there you go.
Only
Yeah,
ITIL?
that's yes, only ITL. And
Okay.
save. You see that added role so and so CN incident write, incident read, incident create. That is all given to this particular
Hidden.
person just by giving this ITL role.
Okay.
Right? Those all roles are inheriting this ITL role.
Okay.
Now, if you go and impersonate the same person and search for incident, you will be able to see the incident.
This one?
Yeah, impersonate and go as Andrew Jackson. No, it's already there. It will be already there. Go and, yeah. More of like it captures the history and you will get it already. You can search for incident. Do you see this? Yes, all the roles now, right?
Yeah.
All the modules and application that you can see.
Yeah.
Is it clear?
Yeah.
As simple as it is. Okay. So now let's end the impersonation. We come to admin. So whenever why we need to impersonate, why we need to check all this thing is that of course more of a service administrator will do that. But however, as a business analyst, when you're testing on behalf of a different persona, you can what to say impersonate as that particular persona which is containing certain role, and then check the functionality is working fine or not. That's why I asked you to have a practice of doing this impersonate.
Yeah.
That is one thing, and also you can also validate how this admin people are working on doing these changes.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So now if you go and click that edit application friend, we did, we'll go to that particular page.
Incident?
Yeah, the edit application. So you know that near that no. So near that favorites, you have the edit application. Yes. And this is a shortcut basically. Instead of going ahead and searching for application menus on the left navigator and then going ahead and searching for incident table and opening the incident table, this is a shortcut. Yeah. So now you understood this, right? So no. You should open the other 1 minute. Now here itself I can tell you a beautiful thing, right? Do you see the roles? Do you see the roles?
Yeah.
Nothing is given. So what happens if nothing is given?
No access.
Anybody can access this particular application. That's why Andrew, without ITA or any other role, were able to see the self-service incident. Did you see that? Did you saw that?
Okay.
Were you able to see that?
Yeah.
You understand this, right? Anybody can access it. As per the statement that has been given, we read some time back, it is for restricting to certain roles.
Yes.
Right? If it is not given, there is no role given, it is not restricting any role. It's so free to access
Okay.
by any role. Okay. Now, if you go to the application navigator and the search for the other incident, yeah, the all one, yeah. No, the edit application, right?
Please
So if you
maximize
search
the
for
please maximize the screen.
నాకు గో టు మీటింగ్ హ్యాస్ ఆఫ్ ద స్క్రీన్ కవర్ అయిపోతుంది కుమార్. నాకు అది మినిమైజ్ కూడా అవ్వట్లేదు. Okay. Yeah.
If you search, no. If you search for incident, it is coming as search for incident. Yeah. Now you have that favorite, right? So you can show that you can go to that edit application incident. Yeah. All right. So now we have saw how the roles work, right? To come down, whatever that we saw as a module. So similar to the roles for an application, we do really have the roles for individual module as well. If you open any module, that will also have roles, right?
Okay.
Right? You will be able to see the role on the visible, right? Now there are these combinations that I will just tell you, right? So anybody who's having ITL role in the application, okay, and if the role like this create new or a modules is not having any role, what will happen?
They can't create a new incident or anything.
No, here is the case, right? If the roles are blank without anything in the module,
They can access everything.
Because it is inheriting from the parent application, which is application.
Yeah.
So whatever role is given there in the application, that has been inherited, and they with the access is given in the application, they'll be able to see the now. Okay, now and admin is able to see all the application, although there's no role given. Okay, Now, imagine a scenario like admin only is given the role access for the application, and
Okay.
ITL role is given for the modules. As an ITL user, you log in and you're checking, will you get anything or you not get anything? You'll be able to see the incident application module or any module or anything or nothing.
I
You're
see.
getting my question. You can see it.
Yeah.
No, that's a problem there. So even though the module is having the access given as ITL, being given you the role of ITL, if you are not there in the application role, you will not be able to see the module at all. Because, as you know, application is a package of modules, right? And if you're not given access to the application overall, even though if you have module access, you cannot access the application. I mean, you cannot access the module because you don't have the application access. Got my point, right?
Is it like only if we have access to module, then only, sorry, access to application, then only they'll have access to module, right? Or
No.
even
No, that's the
they
point.
can have.
That's the point.
Oh, okay.
That's the next point I'm trying to say. So
Okay.
in this module, if you see, you're on the right page, right area where it says override application menu tick box.
Yes.
If any role that you are as an admin, you are giving access to a module and you wanted that module only to be displayed apart from other modules, you can check this box and you can give that particular role in a way that, right, those people who are having carrying that role will be able to see that particular application only under the particular module only under that application.
Okay.
It's like overriding, right? This is like overriding the application menu roles.
Okay.
We had given the earlier roles, right? And that particular concept, it is overriding it.
Okay. I can give a person like only he can open or only he can open unassigned modules. I
Exactly.
can restrict with
Exactly.
other things. Okay.
Exactly. You can test that. And you need to select that override application menu role. And then, for example, just now we saw Andrew Jackson, right? You would have saw the content writer would be his content writer would be his, if I'm not wrong, content admin, if I'm not wrong, right? Would be his uh, role that he's currently having in the 7 roles. Okay. So here, if you give like open assign, unassigned, if you open that edit application and give content admin role access,
You
you can
want me
click
to
the edit.
open this?
Yeah, to edit the application. Yes. Oh, you're opening that. Okay, fine. Leave it. Yeah. Yeah. Here, if you give that roles as content admin, yeah, you can check the box as well. Content admin. It's type C. Content admin. Yeah, that's it.
Man.
You can double click also. No problem. No problem. Yeah. Content. Yeah. Now save it or update it. Anyways, anything is fine. Now, once again, we need to go and check the incident application. Okay, just go and edit application incident, because remember we removed. Did we remove? No, we didn't remove. Okay, fine. I got it. But we now need to. Okay, let's not impersonate. We now need to remove the ITL role which is given to that person. Jacob, what's that person's name?
Andrew
Andrew.
Jackson.
Andrew. Yeah, you can go to history or you can go to user administration, right? User space administration. You'll be able to go to the user,
Here?
or else you can go to, yeah, user space administration, user space admin, or else there is shortcut also. Yeah, you can go to the user. Yeah,
Users.
search for Andrew. Open it and remove the role ITL, because now since we have given role of ITL, no, you're right, yeah, Andrew Jackson. You come down. Oh, okay. Click on come down on the role. Edit. Click on edit on the right side. Edit. Yeah.
That's the problem.
Oh,
I can see.
no, double click. Okay. What happened? Okay.
No, my screen, this GoToMeeting is covering. I can't even minimize that.
Can you not minimize it? Can you not minimize the GoToMeeting?
I'm not able to. It's not. I don't know why. Okay.
Oh boy. Just move the title to this left side. Okay. Save.
Okay.
Can you come down? Yeah. Your content. Oh, catalog admin. Is it okay? Okay. Add content admin as well. Edit. Go to edit. Add content admin. Search from the left side and add content admin. Yeah, that's it. Double click here. No problem.
Okay.
Save it. Save it. So, all right. Now you can impersonate as him, and yeah. Now you can impersonate. You can update this. You can update this or save it. Yeah, whatever. Now you can impersonate as never. Yeah, never. I mean, it is actually saving that password of that particular person, which is a demo again, right?
Okay.
So yeah. So every user have a password. That logic it is saving. Okay. Let's impersonate. Click on Andrew. Impersonate. Now on the left side, you should be able to see the module and search for incident. No, incident. Search for incident. You see that open module is visible. Only open module is
Only
visible
open is there. Yeah.
because we have given only access for that particular role of content admin,
Okay.
which Andrew is having. So he is able to see.
Andrew
You got the
Jackson.
logic. Yeah,
Okay.
you
Yeah.
got the logic.
Okay.
Now you can work, I mean, check with your system, and you can work on this and find out what are the permutations you can do it, and you can do a testing on this. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now we can end impersonation. All right. So did we saw embedded list? Embedded list. If you go to an incident, if you open an incident, any incident,
You want me to open?
any incident you can open. Yeah. If you right click on the gray area, yeah, yeah, configure. One minute. Yes, configure layout. Yes, form layout. Oh, this is tricky. I don't know why your system is like this. Oh my god. Okay.
Yeah. What
I
is
never
it?
faced this issue. Yeah, configure form layout. That top second one. Yes. Okay. Now here on the left side, just scroll down. You will see something in red color. Right? Scroll down, and yeah, come down faster. You'll see things in red color. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, yeah. So pick any one of it. Just come down, scroll slowly. We can have change parent or any parent, change face parent, change request parent. Yes, you're exactly there. Change request parent. Yeah. Double click. Don't click on the arrow. Double click. Now try double clicking. Yes, that's it. Save. Save. Now, if you come down, come down. Did you see this? This is embedded list. You have added an embedded list where it is possible that you can add embedded list as opposed to having a related list. It's more of an you're directly adding this particular embedded list. This is related list. What you see now just below the form at the exact last. Yeah, these are related list. Task SLAs, affected CIs, impacted services, child incidents. These all are related list and tabbed view. Okay. And above
Okay.
that is related links. Related links is followed by related links, whatever it is, and then that is followed by related list. All this task is affected CIs, impacted service is all related list
Okay. These things.
or related list. Okay. All these are individual related list. But if you wanted only one thing, let's say child incident, I wanted to cull it out. I need to pull it out and put it as a separate piece. That is called as embedded list, which we just now did as change request.
Mm,
If you scroll up, here it is below company name. Come down, come down.
yeah.
Yeah. So what is the use of this particular change request itself? If you just click on that insert a new row, double click on that, it will directly create a change. Click on that tick arrow mark. That's it. A change is created very easily. You don't want to open anything. No pop-up is coming. No pop-up is required to come, right?
Okay.
Imagine that if you're creating any application or something in form, you have lots of students mark to be added. You can directly add a new row and put their name and then write their marks on the right. Keep on adding it.
Okay.
But whereas in related list, this particular thing is very tough. We need to go ahead and create new, and that pops up a new window, and or else goes to a new form altogether.
Mm-hmm.
You got the difference?
So can you this these are, you said, embedded list, right?
No, these are related
These are
lists,
related list. Okay.
and that is embedded list.
This one.
Embedded list. You
Okay.
just save it. Right click the form and save it on the gray area. Yeah, right click and save it. Now you will see the change request is exactly created, and you can click the change request directly.
Mm-hmm.
So this is how simple you can make this change embedded list, and you can use it for certain purpose. Okay, these are all depending on the requirements from the user, isn't it? From the customer, how
Okay.
they want it, how we can configure it, so on and so forth.
Okay.
So having being said that, this is more of a difference between embedded and related list. And one more thing is that you cannot have the if you are having change request here, you cannot have the same thing in the related list. If you are having related list, you cannot have the same thing here in the change request. Either it should be here or it should be there. Are you getting my point?
Mm.
In the
What
related
can,
list, you cannot
yeah,
add a change request. Yeah,
what can we do here? What is this for?
yeah, you can add that affected CIs. You can add that on. You can click the add button. Affected CIs. So this is popping out, right? It's popping out as a window. In this embedded list, you don't have any pop-out. Just click on that, it creates a thing. So now you can click anything. You can click any of this, any of the name.
This one.
Add selected. That's it. You have added an incident and you have added which CI has been affected. CI is nothing but configuration item. Let's
Okay.
say or some IBM server or something like that is affected, and you have now added the CH which is affected.
So I can do this. Uh, just give me a minute.
Hmm.
Yeah. Sorry. Hello.
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah.
Okay. So you got an understanding of embedded list now, right?
So my doubt is either way we can do this or this depending on the client
A requirement, exactly.
request. That's it.
Exactly. But we need to know the options that we have, right? We need to know the options that we have in our hand,
Okay.
because client may say, no, this is a student application. We need to update the marks.
Okay.
You can directly say that, why do you want to add a related list? Whenever you wanted to click new or even edit, it opens a pop-up window. Again, you need to fill all this information. Why do you want to do all these things? You can directly go and have it in the embedded list.
Okay. So when we can recommend that or when we can recommend this?
It's depending on the user's requirement. So the like use case I told you, right? If this particular form is all about having all students record
Okay.
of how many marks they have scored, right? In the embedded list, we can just click on that, whatever related tables, right? This is
Mm-hmm.
change request. That's why it's showing CHG and all those things, right?
Yeah.
There
Yeah.
are tables which will show the first thing as not number as name.
Okay.
Okay. When you click on new, you can directly add the name of that particular student. And again, you click on insert a new row. Again, you can add another student name, right?
Okay.
Such that you can add as much as possible, and then you can save it, and then it will come exactly here. And you can directly go there, and here itself you can go and change the state, whatever. I mean, here it's saying a state or field, but in that particular thing, it'll say
Okay.
marks like English, Maths, whatever it is. There you
Mm-hmm.
can add 67, 89, 54, 33, something like that. I got my point, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Directly you can add it. Instead of having a related list, you need to always click that, and it will take some time to open a pop-up window, and then you add all the details, and then you click save. Is it saving time in multiple clicks?
No.
It is saving time in multiple clicks, right?
Uh, this is better. I'm telling.
Easy.
Yeah.
That's what
Easy.
I'm saying. So that's what I'm asking. Is it not
Yeah.
saving time
Yeah.
in multiple clicks? It
Yes.
is. It is saving time in multiple clicks, right? So
Yes.
that's the point that I want to convey. So it depends on the customer's requirement again, right? As I said, it's more of like students, marks, and similarly, some customer may have. I wanted to know the scorecard of individual assignee assigned to two-person who have worked on the incident, right? Something like that I wanted in the form. Means we can put the suggest separate list
Mm-hmm.
or scorecard of how many developer have taken how much time for starting from week one, week two, week three, week four. What is the time that they have taken? Put the name, put the time, and the column will say week one, week two, week three.
Okay.
So I'm just giving you different use cases. You may think of your own, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
So it's as simple as it is.
Okay.
So this is on embedded list part. And let's see Boolean operators, right? If you go to the list incident, if you go to the list incident, yeah, you see this, right? You see the filter, you can click on the filter. Yeah. So you here you have and or, right? You can click on or we know Boolean operators like and or, right?
Yeah.
So you can click on and or put a filter. Okay, but usually whatever, so let's say in short description you are typing email servers down. In short description you just type, yeah, type the search one, right? Email servers down. Enter. This is what it's coming for you, right?
Mm-hmm.
So what this denotes is that every word, after that every word, what Servicenow how it function is that it is having an AND operator. Email and server and is and down.
Okay.
Just remove that is, just remove that is and search for it and see what it comes. It will not come anything.
Oh.
Now did you get it? It is not doing OR operation. If it is an OR operation, either it should show tickets with email, or it should show tickets with server, or it should show tickets with down, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah.
In either of these cases, obviously that particular incident would have come here.
Yeah.
Since it's having AND operation, email and server and down, nothing is coming.
Okay.
Easy, right?
Yeah.
Now, yeah, click on the all, click on all, yeah, incident, yes. So you see 67 incidents are there.
Mm-hmm.
So there is a possibility for not operator.
Okay. Yeah.
There is a possibility for not operator as well. One second, just so for the not operator, what we need to do is on the global search, you have the global search on the top of yes, click that, and you can put incident space hyphen 1 hyphen critical.
Sorry.
Critical, yeah, critical. Just enter. So click that go to list view. So what you see here is that only 39 incidents filtered out with all the critical incidents.
Okay.
Here there is a tricky one, right? Now go to the previous tab of search result, right? Search result. Yeah. No. Previous tab in the Chrome tab. Yeah. Yeah. We go there. Just after that, before that one, put a space in the search button, right? In the search which we have did. Before that one, put a space. Or after, yeah. Yeah. Now search. Now click on go to list view.
Okay.
It should basically show only critical. Just come down. I'm just wondering why 4 lows come, but no problem. But it will show only one critical only. You got my point? So this is how
Yeah.
it works.
Oh.
Here, no critical will be
No
shown,
critical. Oh.
right?
But
Just with that particular space that you're giving, that will take a different meaning altogether.
oh, okay.
What you're saying is that incident not, right? That hyphen means minus. That is like minus. Okay. Incident space -1 minus, immediately after that minus you are giving that particular value.
Okay.
It will minus the priority one critical and display whatever the other ones. Whereas here what it happens is that incident minus hyphen minus one critical. Here what it thinks is like, pull out the records which are only incident critical, one critical.
Okay.
The minus has been understood as a different way, that hyphen we are calling like pull out that only that particular piece, right?
Okay.
It's considering that way. Did you see the small difference? What makes?
Yes, yes.
That's how certain areas will be very, very careful.
Okay.
This is the and or not operation.
Okay.
Okay.
Mhm.
And obviously you know the filter, right? By now you should know the filter. It's very self-explanatory. Whatever you can put, and, you know this and or, right? So
Yes.
when we are going to say and, right? I'm saying active is true. Active is true. So here in the first condition, I'm saying active is true. Yeah, active, count active. Yeah, that's it. It's true.
And
By default, it's coming as and. Now, caller is David Miller. Now, rather opening this, no problem. Since you open, no problem. But next time, David Miller. Yeah. If you just type that name, it will come up. Yeah. So now run that. Run this filter. It will populate 5 incidents, not just with David Miller. We have put and only, right? Okay. We have put and. Okay.
yeah, only
That's why it is taking both the condition and it's displaying only whichever that are active and caller is
David.
David Miller. If you go ahead and change it to or, it will give you a lot of other things, right? Yeah, you need to close the third one. You need to close the third one. Cross third one. Yes. Yeah. Good. Yeah. Now caller is David Miller. You
Okay.
put or, right?
And
Caller.
this one?
Exactly. No. The last one, close that. Yeah. Yeah. In the second one, caller is caller.
Caller is
Just type David. Just type David. Yeah, it will come. You can select. Yeah. Now you run. You will get not just 5 incidents, more than that, 43 incidents.
okay.
For the difference, right? It is pulling out not just David Miller. When we put a or condition, yeah,
Active
you pull
or
out David Miller. Yeah, you pull out David Miller, and also you pull out all the active incidents.
yeah.
That's the difference between both the and or Boolean operations.
Yeah.
That's it.
Okay. You
Okay.
said yesterday some problem, something you said.
Oh yeah, so problem. You can go to problem as well. So long we are only seeing incident. You can go to problem, right? And you can see the relation between problem and incident also. If you click on all, yeah, you click on all, that problem, yeah, the problem type, no problem, you have all. You will have the problem records here.
Okay.
If you open a problem, yeah, if you open a problem, so you have different fields. This is different from that of
Incident.
incident.
No problem.
I will show you another thing. I think I must tell you. Let's go to the incident edit application, right? That small button incident edit application. I'll just teach you that. Let's see. No, not this one. Incident, that's different. This is a standalone incident, so that's for more of, yeah, the favorite in the edit application. So if you see these modules below this, and we have saw this, we have saw sequence and all those things, right? See, each module is different. When you click on, generally I'm saying, don't click on that, but whenever you click on the application navigator, create new, a form is opening, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
But when you click on assign it to me, what is opening? A list is opening, isn't it?
Yeah.
So you have the ability to, as an admin, you have the ability to decide what a module or how a module should, or what a module should display.
Okay.
Okay. Now click on create new. Click on link type. Link type. Link type. Yes. Yeah. Click on the link type again. Yeah. That one. Yeah. Click on new record. Yeah. New record. The table. Just select problem. It will come. It's take some time. It maybe slow. Yeah. Instant. Yeah. Click on that. Yeah. Problem. Just type problem.
It's slow.
Yeah. Yeah. It's slow. Yeah. No issues. Problem. Just select that the second one. Yes. Problem. Yeah. Just update or save it. Save this particular thing, and open that favorite incident, right? Favorite incident application. Yeah. Yeah. Create new. Click on create new below this. Yeah. 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 Do you see the difference? You have you have clicked on create new from incident. It is opening a problem. Why? What is the problem here?
Oh,
What's the problem? Why is it opening problem here?
no. We gave the access
Exactly.
for opening this.
Exactly. We have all the rights to ensure that we can update a module how it needs to work also. So this is something that I wanted to give you tomorrow also. Try to
Okay.
change the link type. We have changed the link type and we have did right. This is actually logically not right. Enough. So when you click on create new under incident, it should only open an incident. It's opening a problem.
Okay.
Means that we have, as an admin, we have the possibility to make any changes.
Okay.
So you can try to give different link type and check how it looks like while you clicking on the create new model.
Okay.
Right. So
Yeah.
so for now, you have got an understanding that whatever you see in the screen, be it application, be it the sequence of module, be it what that module should display while you click that link, everything can be updated or edited by an admin.
Mm. Yeah.
And also going to a list, going to a form, change the form field value, change the field value type, what field value should display, what should be there in the related list, everything you can change. So there are certain areas, right? At least whatever I'm saying, that much highly configurable is what Servicenow that I wanted to tell you.
Okay.
Highly configurable is what that I can tell you. But there are certain things that are restricted, right? You cannot just go and do anything because there are like base table data,
Yeah.
like task table data. There field you cannot go and change it,
Okay.
right? You cannot go and change it. You need to have righteousness to. I mean, you don't have access to change it because it is from the base table created from Servicenow. There is a restriction there, even though you are an admin, right?
Yeah.
But on other areas, whichever you have some good amount of access, you can change things and you can update it.
Okay.
Makes sense, right?
Yeah.
So yesterday, did you have a chance to go through that now create?
No, I did not create anything.
Okay, no problem. So whatever that we are seeing is more of fulfilling the requirements. Now I'm talking just like 5 minutes on the business analyst part.
Mm-hmm.
Like whatever we are seeing is something from an fulfilling these requirements from an user perspective. You're getting the
Okay.
difference, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Now you as a user, if you're asking the use case that you need a form with the as we discussed, right? A student's
Yeah.
mark sheet and all those things. You collect the requirement, you clearly update the requirement in the story, saying that as a user, what user, whichever user it is, right? As a different persona, okay? As a teacher, school teacher, right? I should be able to see the form. I should be able to see the all the selection data. I should be able to update those data. That's the requirement.
Yeah.
What is the acceptance criteria? I should be able to open the form. I should be able to get into and see all this visible. It should be visible for me. And I should, when I click that embedded list, insert a new row, and new row opens, I should be able to enter the data of the students record and yeah, marks. And one by one, I need to enter, and then I should be able to submit it. This is the acceptance criteria, isn't it?
Okay.
This is how you need to write the story. You know story and all, right? You know story.
No, I don't have idea.
Okay, no problem. We will talk about story. We will talk about story in next. Don't worry.
Okay. Okay.
So you will write the story, and then you will get a confidence from the user or customer that this is what the story that we have written. And if you're saying yes, the story is okay, now developer can go and work on it. This is where they will come ahead and work on it, like creating an embedded list, changing the field or selecting the right table, and they will fulfill the story's requirement.
Okay.
I am telling it only one story. There'll be multiple stories, right, combined together where you need to fulfill it as a project for a given time period.
Yeah.
Hope that makes sense, right?
Yes.
Right? With that understanding, I'll leave it for you today so that we can continue to just practice these things and let's see how it goes. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. How do you feel like? Are you feeling it's good? You have any feedback?
Yeah, it's good.
Right, that's so once you do this practice, and honestly speaking, once you do this practice, you'll get used to the service now, and you will not even find difficulties in being a business analyst because we have created an embedded list. You know how to create a story out of it. What would be the use case from a customer? You can easily understand, isn't it?
Okay. Yeah.
With which you can create a story. We'll talk about story and all. Story is nothing but what is needed, how it should be, what is needed, for which person it's needed, and as an acceptance criteria, how it should look like, for which person it should look like. That's it,
Okay.
right? These are customer user requirements, they call it as. There are something called as non-functional requirements that are technical, right?
Mm-hmm.
In that point of view, what we'll say is like, as a system, this is what this needs to be updated, and system, as a system, this is how it should show me the result.
Okay.
We'll discuss on that detail, no issues. But for me, at that, I wanted you to be, get a hands-on with the service now, so that it gives you deep understanding. Just like this is the end thing that development team will be doing. Right? Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Yeah, that's pretty much about it. If nothing else, I think we are good.
Yeah. I'll get back to you tomorrow.
Yes. Thank you, Priyanka.
Okay. Yeah. Bye.
Bye bye.